Procrastination is just fear wearing a comfortable disguise. These affirmations have improved my productivity, and they'll do the same for you. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am productive. I can start immediately. I act now. People admire my discipline. Every day I take action. Today I win big. I am unstoppable. I finished my tasks today. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.